Yoga flow to help you relax before bed. Establishing a consistent bedtime routine can greatly improve the quality of your sleep. This flow is specifically designed to help you relax before bed. Sit in Vajrasana, bend forward and stretch your hands to Adho Mukha Vajrasana. Come back to Vajrasana and spread your legs to sit in Veerasana. Bend forward to Adho Mukha Veerasana. Come back to Veerasana. While transitioning from tabletop pose, come to Uttana Shishosana or extended puppy pose. Relax in Shavasana. Bring your knees close to your chest to Pavanamuktasana. From here, lift your legs to 90 degrees, positioning your hands on your lower back to support. This is Sarvangasana or shoulder stand. Now roll your pelvis off the floor, lower your legs over your head towards the floor to Halasana or plow pose. This yoga flow is designed for intermediate practitioners. If you're new to yoga, please modify or avoid certain poses and consider practicing with a qualified instructor. Listen to your body and be mindful while practicing these asanas. Consult a medical professional if you feel uneasy.